What is up, guys? It's your boy Dominic from MDP Auto, and today's video is going to be a little different, but kind of the same of what we've done before. We're going to be running through Facebook, Craigslist, and a couple auction sites, David and I, and we're going to see if we can find something really cool, maybe interesting to make a video on, flip, mess around with, build, whatever the case is. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to put you guys down, maybe time lapse, talk to David for a little bit on Discord, and we'll see what we can find. David's already pinging me and sending me a bunch of motorcycles, so let me jump on here and let's see if we can find anything cool, and maybe pick it up today. It'd be really cool.
This thing's a project, buddy. Oh my god. Sure there's no room for negotiation?
Alright. Rust bucket.
It's got a little hard on that thing. This thing's fucking rusty, bud. It's kind of falling apart a little bit. Crunchy. Like my Lay's chips at home. Like dang. He said the kickstart took a shit. And it just fucking spins. So, we'll play around with that.
Alright, guys. She's finally in here. The tank was already disconnected. I just pulled it up and off. Frame on this thing's not too shabby. This next part, there's a lot to run through on this thing. A lot of missing stuff, a lot of broken stuff, a lot of not working stuff, like the throttle springs all gone. We're just gonna put this on time lapse. We're gonna run through everything, take everything apart, and see what we can fix, what we can't fix, if the engine can even turn over, what's the deal, what's going on with this thing, and see if it's worth it. So we're gonna spend for probably the next couple hours tearing her down, see what we can do. All right, guys. So after tearing it down, messing with it, trying to pull the motor out, the further we gone, the worse it got. So I think this one's a dud to making like a art piece or flip or whatever we're thinking of doing. We got it for cheap enough where it was not too much of an issue, but we'll get our scrap money back out of this thing. So I think we're gonna dump it to the scrap, or maybe even just post it up. Maybe someone will give us the money back or whatever. But now it's just gonna sit in the corner and just wait for its demise. Thank you guys so much for watching. We have something really exciting coming up for probably the next video. Something super cool, super exciting. Hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Dominic signing off for MDP Auto. Thank you guys. Make your dreams possible. Peace.